Okay, good day. Sige, sagutin natin yung question, paano ba ginagamit ang one? Okay, lalo na kapag outside the Philippine territory. Okay, outside PH. Okay, paano ba talaga ginagamit ang one? Okay, ganito yan, no? So, pagdating sa marketing, wala tayong problema because we are global. Why global? Because we are an internet-based tech company. Okay, so ang product natin, ang service natin can go globally. Okay? As the current situation, the available merchant is in the Philippines pa lang. But we are going to open to Canada, okay, to Singapore, to Australia, may mga to Italy, may mga nag-submit na ng letter of intent and mga contract na na-close na to bring One Network e-commerce outside to those countries. Okay? So, bakit kailangan dalihin yung One Network e-commerce dun sa mga country na yon? Para makapag-open din sila ng mga merchants outside the Philippines. Diba? So, these merchants can do business outside the Philippines, just like um, if you're familiar with eBay. So, I know yung iba sa inyo nakikita ito, no? So, eBay, before eBay is a tech e-commerce company rin. So, sa USA lang siya before. But they open it in different country. Kaya nagkaroon ng eBay Canada, so eBay Philippines. So, we have eBay Philippines. It's because meron mga nag-franchise ng eBay sa Philippines and even Google. So now we have Google Philippines. Before before google.com lang eh. But now may office na rin sa Philippines. That's Google Philippines. It's because nag-o-open talaga ng mga offices sa bawat country. It's the same idea then with One Network e-commerce. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, how can you do business with one if you are outside the Philippines, lalo na mga OFW or kung di man mga foreigner na kakausap, di ba? So, paano ba talaga gawin ang business ng one if you are outside the Philippines? Okay, ganito yan. So, ang scenario, since na ang merchant pa lang na available natin is in the Philippines, so this is PH, okay, the Philippines. The good thing about this, we can start marketing with our OFW na kababayan. Okay? Ayan, no? So, we can use Facebook, internet to market with them. So, if they are in Hong Kong, wala tayong problema dyan. Okay? If they are in Italy, okay, wala rin tayong problema dyan. Or Hong Kong, Singapore. Let's make it Singapore. Okay, ayan. So, wala tayong problema dyan. USA, okay din. So, in other words, globally, we can do the business globally. This Filipino, OFW, or Filipino citizen, okay, can register sa one. Okay, to have an account, so simple lang naman kailangan nilang gawin para makapag-transact. They can use your card, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, okay, Discovery. So they can use those card to send payments sa ating mga facilities. And normally pag outside the country like US, Singapore, may mga credit card diyan. O kaya kung hindi naman kaya, they can send the payment yung traditional way. They can send the payment sa kamag-anak nila sa Pilipinas. Okay, to their relatives. And then si relatives naman na magre-register sa kanila doon sa one, no? So this is the traditional way. But pwedeng magbayad na directly using credit card, MasterCard, okay, Visa para makapag-activate sa one. Ngayon, ang question is, paano naman itong mga OFW i-market yung one? Okay. Di ba meron tayong different streams of income? Number one, they can earn through subscription. Okay, by referring someone to subscribe in the system. So, merong referral fee yan, no? Tsaka mga royalty incomes. Number two is, number two sa sales, di ba? So, ang pwede natin gawin, okay, since this is an online, and I believe that anyone can do this as long as they have Facebook, email, or Twitter, or whatever social media account. So, ang gagawin natin, okay, sila mga OFW, tapos ang merchant, since na nasa Pilipinas pa lang ang merchant natin, but eventually, this will go, lalaki pa ito. Okay, what we can do is these Filipinos, okay, can sell the subscription sa mga kapwa Pilipino din, okay, outside the Philippines. So are we. Okay, let's sell the subscription ng one. May credit card, may Visa naman, pwede ipadala yung payment. Okay, ayan. Ayan, no. Okay. So, meron ng subscription. So, once they are selling the subscription, we are making money as well, diba? May income din tayo sa subscription. Okay? Nakukuha. Ngayon, paano naman yung payout nila? Okay, paano yung payout? Okay. Once they subscribe, so, magsa-sign up lang sila sa isang website, lalo na sa mga nakabayo, give you the link. Okay. So, mag-sign up sila sa isang website to get their V-Money card. Okay, ang V-Money card is, this one is a MasterCard. Okay, kaya they can use this anywhere around the globe. So, this is like a global money or global cash card. Okay, so yung mga commissions nila, dito ipapasok. And then tayo mga kamag-anak, we can send them the card kung asan yung mga kamag-anak natin na nag-member sa one para magamit nila yung pera. Or, another option is yung commission nila, okay, I just put it here, yung commission nila, they can turn it into, kasi normally naka-e-wallet yan yung commission nila, no? Before it turns into a cold cash. Okay, from e-wallet, they can turn this to an activation code. Okay, so kapag itong activation code na to, pwede nilang ibenta sa mga magsusubscribe para makapagpa-pay-in. Kaya instead na magpapadala pa ng pera, kung meron silang e-wallet, they convert their e-wallet into activation code. So, sa kanila na bibilihin nung magme-member yung subscription. Sa kanila na magbabayad kasi meron naman activation code. Okay? Conversion of e-wallet to activation code. So, that's how they get paid, no? Through V-Money card or convert their e-wallet to activation code para mabenta rin nila yung mga subscriptions. Okay? Yan. Now, once they become a member, okay, paano naman sila makapagbenta? So, dito tayo sa selling. Okay, since we are online, okay, everybody can do business remotely. Okay, so example, no? Example, nasa Italy yung nag-member sa one. Nasa Italy siya. Okay, so ang gagawin niya lang, okay, ang gagawin niya, maybe he can upload the product. Pwede rin siya mag-upload ng sarili niyang product or he can use the Grab feature. Okay, ngayon punta muna tayo sa upload. Upload your own product. Okay, you can do this sa mga MLM companies nyo rin, di ba? Pwede nyo gawin to, no? Ayan. Kung ano man MLM company na member kayo or kung gusto nyong makapag-start ng business, nasa ibang bansa kayo, FW kayo, okay, you can still do business because you can remote ang business natin online. Okay. Doon muna sa upload ng sariling product. Okay. What you can do is to market sa Italy ka, pero ang targeting market mo is the Philippines. Okay. So, meron tayong training kung paano mo magagawa ito. Okay, so part 2 ng training, especially sa mga ka-ninja team ko, okay? Sa mga pag-member ka ng Team Ninja. Okay, so you can market the Philippines. Ang pwede mong gawin, let's say may kamag-anak ka sa Philippines or ayan, kapatid mo, okay, nanay mo na gusto mong bigyan ng negosyo and at the same time, ikaw na OFW, syempre, as much as possible, gusto mo rin na ma-monitor yung negosyo. Okay, kasi ang hirap naman na pinaubaya lang natin negosyo sa kamag-anak natin. Madalas kasi yan napapabayaan din. Kasi kung kamag-anak natin, hindi naman nila passion yung negosyong binuksan mo. Kaya madalas napapabayaan. Pero kung ang business mo, you can manage kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, that is a good business. Okay, here's what you can do. Okay, kung may mga relatives ka, ayan o. So, pwede mo silang gawing empleyado mo. Okay. Pwede yan. Pwede mo silang gawing empleyado mo. And then, what you can do is, pwede kang mag-warehouse ng product mo. Okay. Sa bahay mo. Ayan. Or pwede mo rin ipa-warehouse yung product sa One Network. Okay. Para si One na ang bahala sa deliveries. Okay. Kaya lang, pag ipapa-warehouse mo yung product mo sa One, you need to apply for business permits. Okay, dito sa Pilipinas. So, you can coordinate with your relatives na i-apply ng business permit para magawa mo yung para ipa-warehouse mo na lang sa One. Then, kapag may mga nag-purchase, sila na bahala sa deliveries. Okay. Okay, si One na bahala sa deliveries. Okay. But what if sa bahay mo i-warehouse, then kamag-anak mo ang magmamanage ng inventory? Okay, ganito ang sistema dyan. Okay, let's say nasa Italy ka and you start marketing sa Pilipinas, no? So you do different online marketing strategies. Okay, and then may bumiling customer. So nag-purchase sa One website mo, sa shopping cart mo, 'di ba? So ginamit yung Visa, yung Mastercard, 'di ba? Credit card, debit card, or over the counter ginamit. So syempre, nung nakabayad na yung customer, lalabas yun sa website mo. So, nasa Italy ka, pero you can access your website sa Italy mo. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo, pwedeng yung kamag-anak mo, ite-train natin kung paano gamitin yung website mo, okay, yung account mo sa One, or pwedeng inform mo rin yung kamag-anak mo. Kumbaga, ang logistic partner mo dito, yung kamag-anak mo. Okay, so, ang gagawin ng kamag-anak mo, kung ilan yung pinurchase dun sa store, ang gagawin ng kamag-anak mo, sila naman yung mag-ship papasok sa mga courier, LBC, One Express, okay? So, sa madaling salita, si kamag-anak, siya yung logistic partner. Sila yung inventory department mo. Diba? Diba ang galing? Kasi kahit nasa Italy ka, you can still do the business. Or kung ayaw mong ipa-inventory sa kamag-anak mo, pa-warehouse mo sa One yung items, yung inventory mo. So, pwede yan. Okay? So, that is for your own product. What if, sige, ayoko ng inventory, ayoko ng mamuhunan, okay, pero gusto kong magbenta, okay. So, gamitin naman natin yung Grab feature. Okay, so, di ba si One may mga merchant? Halimbawa, sabihin na lang natin merong pumasok na BCO ng isang network marketing company. Okay, so, member ka rin ng network marketing company na yun, nasa Italy ka. Okay, so, may BCO na pumasok, and si BCO, in-upload yung mga products. So, ang gagawin mo na lang ay i-grab yung products ni BCO. Okay, so you can talk to this person, to this BCO, i-grab mo yung product niya, and then you start marketing. So, mag-market ka, whether inside sa Pilipinas, or sa mga FW sa Singapore. Pero start muna tayo sa Pilipinas. So, let's say may nag-purchase from the Philippines. So, ano mangyayari? Lalabas yan sa website mo sa One. Okay, at lalabas din yan sa website ni BCO. Kasi, bakit lalabas sa website ni BCO? Kasi, ginrab mo yung packages and product ni BCO. Okay, so once lumabas kay BCO ito, yung product, ang gagawin ni BCO, isi-ship yun sa customer mo. Okay, so isi-ship ni BCO yan sa customer mo. Okay, yan. Di ba ang galing? Kasi, nagkaroon ka ng sariling shipping department. Ngayon, ang magiging trabaho ni BCO, okay, ay i-encode naman yung naging purchase mo. Okay, so ikaw kasi customer lang ito. I-encode naman yung naging purchase mo doon sa system. Okay, para ma-credit sa'yo. You can monitor din naman yan kasi karamihan ng networking ngayon, meron kanya-kanyang online account. Okay. So, ganun ang magiging setup. Kasi normally, naging problem kung nasa Italy, nag-iisip na siya, baka hindi ako makabenta kasi nasa Italy. No. Okay, so, kaya nga tayo merong Grab feature. Ibig sabihin, Yung mga existing merchants, okay ng Juan, pwede mong i-grab yung product, then you sell it, tapos si merchant or si Juan na bahala sa deliveries. Diba ang galing? That's how you can do this business. This is how powerful One Network e-commerce system is. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you learn a lot and God bless.